Can press me? I don't know Kuno.
Pacho, and I'm in a Kuno.
Namani Kuno.
I can never do that, officer. Please, it's not me.
No one out there drinking command.
Yes, of course.
So what they call out there doing the good.
Officer, I mean to me fair.
Oh, what? Call out the good.
Officer, there be. Me can't have me someone to say. Me never want to watch it.
Hey. What's your chair, my
I didn't have a
I want to say the wine.
Me never want to say.
What
One of the last person out there drink command with them home. So I'm sorry.
Pacho, me never want to say. I don't know anything about the death of Frances. I can't do that to Frances.
We're going to be
and next Friday. So I can't cry.
Officer, Mr. Minimum, Officer, Mr.
Now, person who can't be sent a boy.
But to look right in there, they said, Minimum, when I made the drink, the boy, yes. What Minimum,
what is one of you to the room?
I'll
come back to remand. Now, process the documents, and the reports.
This officer, then I mean, no,
sorry.
That is so. No.
So what's it? Masa.
Akasu.
Boss.
Somewhere.
Me patron yanko plan do me experience. Until bibi aboko.
So I wouldn't be as well.
Patron me away.
Information be na me pay free ho. Na Mr. Wa, but modern so be kind of crew won't be actually. They na Partey, I did drink you comma Frances in the room. Oh, now way.
Opening. Me patron the team na say. Dana Partey, I did drink no comma Frances no. Na me ankasa de room 8. Na branch me no mpena be show ntina o se me kohwe me kona me kohwe sisi ho ma bibia e kone kwa so boko.
Na free so ba no morning in term to say Frances morning relationship not to say
penny Frances dear oba hina no se bi introduce onyi ni pa no pie so oba hina o hihye dem sa sem kokura no so bi ye bibia enya de so no mu no bu free dem ho abegia no ba beto ti all the time ya na no frema bibi ohia bia no ye de ko nto no she dem pp or ye dem type
na oba ha no hu se obi besra no na obi ba ne nchen hu bibisa
me patch what I want ye se Frances no bon na branch bi me ba ha no ti no kra na branch no ja no hokoi
jan hokoi
ma
habi
so mo bon mo bai mi se mo ma ba no jan hokoi.
Okay, ojiri se na bibi woni sa branch en ntem.
Man should know so ni de men hu bibi sa. Je me na last na ko be bi mu ase me ma kam ya hwehwe na so mo apa ba je se ni se adwuma na mi ni ntino ko ya de bi sisi na me peni ko hu a de aseme ba.
Aden oye den.
Ni me na ase.
E pese mi hu den oye.
Open bibi. O ko be bi na so me fa o bag ko jaw. I'm seeing the mensa left and the big bag because that time no mensa right here me ya no go cash ya ko mu na ekum adaya enye bu so so the mensa left and opening it is 7 years and mensa right here me ya no o person me for so the so bag no bu on ti bi da na the only nan say obi no beg no mu a se bi adwuma na we na ara ni se wan ko school bi se bibi sa opening enye kasa me no sani bu
okay Medawasi. No one you okay. Medawasi nti betimenka. Why?
Also betimenka.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Manager.
Yeah, it's better.
Send him akano.
Yeah.
Make sure say sankofo mi no. Omu bia MP and Indian free her. Tell say be hu asem ne ti. ene ni dua eye Dede ene wakasu se mu bia pie anadwane a nso wo case
anya ti se jam de wo kanu manti o ana nya ti se jam de wo kanu ma fa nya djuma chanka tira wa wanu ayet bo fran kan bo pai na wa fie tira ay bo fran kan bo pai na wa huse asam de woni mi kai no aterimiti ana mazumba fie se Dede ni wakasu de wo mu ko ba bia pasipeta asam ba kuna mi pasa mi no wonka mi pase lovek kwandos asam de aswano mi pase udi ba pia bontini because asam wo ko bontini pe dimboni na abano apa say yedi because unim se hotel anu dig people na bada apa say yedi ba say anti masem boy an kayantam na yan sofu Dede ni wakazu de wa mutibe gwanin ko babia I have control over them. I can control them. If me they pay them, if me employ them for here. Mbofese asamnu yaba penny punu machine bre ati tuwanu darika chete be asamnu abako bi kwasu me pase me jima bobo mi wa Dede wakazu de wo mundi babia ko
mate
masuma da sisi peda yakupo won siraw won tuoka na me tuoka wati
mate
na me tuoka
mate
mati
bye bye
bye bye uni nyakupo anko
okay
Partey asa boy misi mahunu pana batimi wani washi mi bisani wampaso bakadi antina samnasi ana mafuro Partey ataban na kwazo woni sa abayan ni jam ataban na kwazo ni abani bofra ni jam Partey she like my service ayo o command drink keke we are going to serve a drink odi se kura duro se ku se duro na gum ana se wannan abu Partey wusu ba pasha mama mi madonya ku boje mba pasha mama Partey love kwando will stay forever enemies go same enemy I will remain here forever that shall not die I will never die don't worry about
Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy.
Abrantie as I say
boss yami adom hoye
with the Mr. Usu CID wo regional headquarters na Muhuta Musefu how many times a day?
boss but you serve breakfast they serve lunch yes I serve supper 3 times a day
Moye sana wa
boss but I had the MES anyway and security man the nice woman so the MES me Partey and workers
most at times on one idea aduane no kon case will be order
boss we know first I was the be a mem na me chief chef am want the be a mo kitchen che basa na se aduane no nipa ne ba bebrisa na Partey ana workers bit me bo am na fi omo de aduane no ko room cinema me ba Partey pa na times yeah
na Partey ne yet to say
boss Partey die minim Partey no boss Partey you be a masam kakra woni nusu kakra na afin so ase ni nusu o she hatu go to yam for so nya dwefro bi wo yinsi obi achi no Partey portion pa
okay
ani yam plenia die nim yunfuru yanyifu nto amenem ne sa ne mende Partey lie pa
na oni baby incident ni see ye no ni pakro no ne no omu relationship to say
sir was obasa no na e birthday na no babidi ene enya maso ti mbu no na bo ni de ho bufu pie ti minim all of a sudden
meba boy ni de bufu pie
yeah
emra no ne girl no say inside no
yeah okoi ana wa ma nti Partey na osole ya no kokko ge ne nchen kakra no wura ge ne dem kakra no wura ge ne dem wo ti minim One o'clock by gain it to me. To get a party, a human on the party to see. Want to say Bafana from
the guy on any Koyana.
Boss, for us for that one, dear. So they get a pen and misunderstand you beyond me boy. The means a guy in a koi who free if I have koi. Yeah, and a party, I didn't watch it again. Indeed, was when they attended.
Mate, me that's it.
Me patron.
Until a beginning of better menka.
Me patron.
Okay. Wouldn't you say Dede?
I did the Andre Dede.
Okay, Mate.
AKA Capito. And a party na wakasu. Mubarak.
Mate. I better menka.
Me patron.
That's it.
Oh, Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Oh, put up on no light test up, it's about to get dirty. Oh, Mr. DJ put it for rewind cause I'm feeling already. Oh, this song is a band.
Dede, why? What's the matter? You've been here for like the past 20 minutes and you're saying nothing. You are not talking.
Boss. Deal is a deal.
Yeah, I know.
And I'm done with everything that you said I should do.
I'm aware.
But yes, still, I haven't heard from you. After everything, after fulfilling my promise, after doing everything that you asked me to do, you've then off.
Dede, listen. You did a good job, yeah. You did a great job. But then you should know that things are complicated right now. The police are involved right now. So let's just hold on. Be patient. Let's everything cool down. Then I'll get you everything you deserve. Trust me.
As I said earlier, deal is a deal. And we didn't add any police to this deal. So, I need my money.
Do you think I like the fact that the police are still investigating and then they are still following this whole thing? So why don't you just be patient?
And so what? Emily, yes, sir. Don't let me lose my temper.
Are you shouting at me?
Yes, I'll shout. Because what you're doing is it's not good.
What do you expect me to do right now?
I expect you to give me my money.
I can't get access to anything. That is why I'm saying you should just hold on. Let the police finish with their investigation. After everything, I'm going to give you your share.
Emily, yes, sir. Dede.
Fusia, no, you're not sure why. The information one to pay in a floor.
Any police station, dear.
But information can creep in a floor.
Information?
Yeah.
About.
This is again. Okay. Hope you know his friend.
Yes, that's my friend's phone, Frances.
Okay. Listen to this.
Let me just set this record straight to you. I'm trying to be honest and truthful to you. If you really want to live to tell your story, just stay away from that guy.
That's my friend, her boyfriend.
Well, sweetheart.
Her boyfriend, Jay, right?
Yes,
Do
Jay.
you know Jay?
Yes, please, I know Jay.
Can you show me where he is?
Yes, I know where he is.
You can take me to him, right?
Yes, please, I know.
Okay, thank you. The fact is, your friend Frances is dead.
What?
Yeah, your friend.
Wait, but only madam for no. Wait, I think you've. I don't know, but I think you've. Only Frances. You can't tell me Frances is dead.
She was poisoned. Listen, just calm down.
No,
just calm down.
No,
listen up,
I think there's a misunderstanding.
Nah.
Frances can't be dead.
Calm down. Okay? Just take me to
I
jail.
thought you were telling me to calm down, but Frances, she can't be dead.
Just take me to jail, okay?
Tell me Frances, my friend, is dead.
Oh, put up on no light test up.
Officer, I've been telling you the truth.
Said what? Huh?
I don't know anything about this. I didn't kill her. I can't kill her.
When was the last time you guys departed?
Actually, it was the night we came here. We went to Officer, the last time I saw her was the day we were supposed to celebrate her birthday. There was some few misunderstanding and I had to leave. I didn't saw her again until I heard she's dead.
Give me a second. You will listen to this.
But let me just set this record straight to you. I'm trying to be honest and truthful to you. If you really want to live to tell your story, just stay away from that guy.
You are threatening me, Jane.
Well, sweetheart, you can take
Yeah, what else? My voice, no.
So you
like what? Officer, it was just a misunderstanding. I didn't kill her.
You know what?
No, officer, you can't do this, officer. Okay, wait. I will.
Yeah, please put me down. Yes, tell me. Did you kill her?
I know nothing about this. I didn't kill her. I'm not the one who killed her.
So who did?
Who killed her?
It's officer. It's
Speak up, man.
it's the other guy at the hotel.
Who is the other guy?
Kasa.
It's Dede. Dede, are you? He's the one who killed her.
Let's go and pick that guy.
Hey. My mistake, oh. Me disikechi. Ama me yonko anse bi omini ne tise nuya. Akote bi afufuru. Sika na me di akire no nso a. Me sanka sika no. Nesisi no me koye. Anase me pai. Siya mitui akada ba ko pe ni sentence mini obra wonye boni bia eni pre e ba ma fenti amana ko pieti bia wem debi feriye pa ni uhudi eka fanyina muhu me shema menu yana nkosati bie ne muta onye opani bia meko makoka makureno se ni sei ena mjeye intia akuri ni sei meko na makoka DBCNC yede mutuma meko
Abai, wana kabibe yo. Abai, wana kabibe. Abai, wana bibe. Abai, bode.
Yeah. We are sure on you.
Yeah, but yeah. But
tomorrow.
Masa. Dede. Manager. Hey, no. Hey, Waka. Partey. Jesus. Partey. Waka.
then I will. What did you have to do?
So I bridge memo. Now I'm burning long hours, need 2 to 3 jobs. Now per something genuine. Every time you bow more to me at 2 hours. No, so no what's any time for family there. And you're not the digital marketing business. Every we a business sir. When you any work experience, you hear no phone or tablets, any internet connection. And no kwana winya. That's how I sign you to a coach and a mentor. I better guide you through the process. What status wa? I want castle business. I was start you. What to me register with the government and what to me sign a jama a chima. Na me so start here. Bibi ka craving na betu ya. Na no kra na 30 good days. Sefa dream ho, share business model no. Check the community out. So there bibi when eje ho a, ye tuansi Kenya na ma within the 30 days. Until you have absolutely nothing to lose. Ope so ho ma, my website and our screen so no. Corner for dino email address na ko register na share complimentary webinar no. And I say my number na our screen so no. Fra na friend me, na me fan for processing. Nyame nka ho. I will see you on the inside.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on no like that up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind, cause I'm feeling already. This song is a band.